Are you looking for ways to increase efficiency and ensure quality while installing or servicing Resideo, Honeywell Home, and First Alert products? The Resideo Pro app can help with this by empowering you and your business to improve installation and service procedures, saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Sam from Resideo. Let's look at the features available on the Resideo Pro app that make it a one-stop shop for managing compatible Resideo, Honeywell Home, and First Alert products. The Resideo Pro app makes device setup and configuration simple. It enables you to connect to devices via Bluetooth and configure device settings from the app. Select Basic Install if the homeowner already has a First Alert app account, if the customer is unknown, or if you don't have access to Wi-Fi. Select Full Service to create a new First Alert app account for the homeowner and register the device to that account. When the homeowner opens the First Alert app, the device will already be there. Homeowners use the First Alert app to access and control their thermostat remotely. After choosing the service type, apply a pre-configured template of the ISU settings or enter them individually in the app. Once you've configured a device, you can run diagnostics to verify the system is configured correctly. Ensure you get the full benefits of a connected device by connecting it to Wi-Fi directly from the app. This is optional for basic installs. Just enter the information the homeowner wants to use for their account to register the device you just installed. By completing this process in the app, a record of the device, location, and customer is created, helping you maintain and track your customers. If you're subscribed to the ProIQ Analyze or Engage service, this process enables homeowner app branding in the First Alert app. This puts your company logo and information front and center in the homeowner's app. The Resideo Pro app also provides a wealth of resources to help troubleshoot while on site. With embedded technical documents, support videos, tech tips, quick start guides, and direct access to Resideo Academy, you have a wealth of product information at your fingertips. Utilize the Resideo Part Finder tool directly in the app to search for replacement parts. Simply enter the product you need to replace to cross-reference our Resideo database. Access installation guides, data sheets, and product specs, then share that information for fulfillment. Now that you know how to leverage the Pro app, you're better equipped to improve installation and service procedures within your business. Thanks for watching this tech tip. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.